So this next lick is in the key of A. It works over A dominant 7 chord. Sounds like this. And so we're going to start off with your index finger, 5th fret, high E string, then 8th fret B string to an open E. Then we're going to do the same thing except move down to the 7th fret and the 4th fret on the B and G strings. So 4 on your B, 7 on your G to an open B string. Then you're going to slide with your middle finger from the 5th fret to the 6th on the G string, 7th fret, D string, open G. So pull off on the A string from 7 to 6 to your open D string, open A, hammer to 3, slide to 4, and then end on your A, which is your 2nd fret G string. So really slow with this one. So when I originally had this lick, I didn't go down to the 7th and the 4th fret, I just kept it symmetrical. But since your E string is here, then I moved it down so you wouldn't have the same note twice. But a cool trick to do with this, we're going to keep it symmetrical, so we'll do the 5-8 open, 5-8 open instead of 5-8 open, 7-4 open. So keep it symmetrical. Let's move it down 2 frets to G and see if it works. Exact same lick, but what makes it different is the intervals in between your open strings and your fretted notes. So all my notes that I'm using with my fret hand are the exact same thing, moved down moved down 2 steps. But because the intervals between your open strings and your fretted notes are different, then it gives it sort of a different vibe. And it's a really cool thing to do, is learn an open string lick and just move it up and down the fretboard. If you do it fast enough, then it will work in almost every single key. So maybe let's try it in B. There's a few off notes in there, but it actually sort of twists the ear a little bit. It gives it sort of a jazzy flavor. If you do it slow, it might sound a little harsh, but if you do it at speed, then you can do it almost anywhere on the fretboard. So let's move it 2 frets, or 1 fret to C. So that's a good concept to learn, to take one lick and turn it into 4 or 5 different licks by doing the exact same thing, just moving it up and down the fretboard depending on what key you're in. So one more time.